how to allow or don't allow apps to use cellular data on the background on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on General. Next, tap on Background App Refresh. Then tap on Background App Refresh. And if you want certain apps to allow to use cellular data and Wi-Fi, you would select Wi-Fi and cellular data, and then tap on the back key. Now go down the list here and select which app you want to disable for it to use cellular data. For example, Audible, books, Instagrams, videos, Signal, Siri, Snapchat. Maybe Siri will turn it on. So any app that you do not want to allow it to use data on the background, you can switch it off. So Maps is quite important to you and you want it to be able to use data on the background, then you can leave that on. And that's it. So turn off any apps that you do not want to allow to use data on the background. And if you want to make sure that none of the apps can use background data, then you can simply just select Wi-Fi. And you can also tap on the off button to disable all the background app refresh. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.